Alright, this is going to be a quick one since I want to be able to upload this by the time the market opens. We're looking right now at the S&P 500, just trying to get an idea of what's going to happen when the market opens. Alright, so what do we have? We had all of this bearish action up in this area, and of course the big top, which started in March. We're trying to see what happens next. After we had the major decline, we had basically in all the averages a move down to the 200-day moving average, just about. And one second. And it looks like we have a rectangle formation. Like, take a look. 1, 2 touch, 3 touch, and 4 touch, 4 touch, and just today we're about to have the 5th touch right here. Okay, so right now we're looking at this little sidebar here. We're already up at 130.58, which puts us out of this, just about out of this resistance zone. And I made the red line, which is just a resistance point, and then I made this gray rectangle, which is the resistance zone where prices tend to top out, and at the bottom a support zone where prices tend to make a bottom. So it's still only 8:54 right now, 8:54 Eastern time, so the market opens in about 35 minutes. What's also going on right now is the vote in Greece. I do think it's going to have a pretty big effect on what happens in the market today. If it passes, we might see an upswing. If it doesn't pass, well, we might see a downswing. So, on that note, if this breaks out of this little rectangle here, we have a price objective in the S&P 500 of hitting just under 134, which would actually, if we go out to the 6-month chart, and we take care of this trend line right here, we could actually get pretty much a better guess. Go from here, draw across the top. That's where I think it would end up, just about around 132.50 on the SPY ETF, just because we got a trend line here that proved pretty resilient back in the little decline that we had. So 132 in the S&P, which goes to our other shorts, which got hammered yesterday. We want to make sure that we don't get stopped out. ATI is at 62.48 right now. Our stop level is at 62.50. I'm going to be placing a stop right before I get in the market opens this morning. NBR, we have another upswing as long as it does not go above 24.50. We stay in the trade. SWN, as long as it does not go above, I want to say 42.75, we're still in the trade. CYT, this one's still working well for us. I'm expecting this one to go up again today. UNG, just one I'm in for myself. It's just a broadening pattern. Do whatever with it. And do we have anything else that we're in right now? Not right now. Alright, so that's what I think is going to happen. Well, I didn't say what's I think is going to happen. We're going to see this vote happen, and it's going to probably drive the futures either one way or another. Looks like futures keep going up at this point, so we're going to have an upward breakout from this rectangle. So, today's probably going to be an up day. We're probably going to get some resistance at the 50-day moving average, but today's probably going to be an up day. It'll hit this line, and then who knows whether it will go through it or below it. All I'm saying is that if you're still invested in SDS or TWM, like an ultra short fund, I would get out now. Alright? Thanks for watching.